In this video, I want to show you how you can invite people on Temu. Now, this is through the Temu referral program, and what you need to do is just head over to Google and search for affiliate Temu. Then you simply want to sign up for the affiliate program, which is the referral program. And don't worry, it's going to take a few minutes to sign up and you're going to get accepted no matter what. And once you have made your account, you can scroll down and you will get these codes. So this is for a £100 coupon. This is for free gifts, exclusive deals, and save big. Then what you simply want to do is you just want to copy your link. So click on the copy button right here. And then you just want to send it to people. Now, when they click on the link and sign up, you have now invited them and you will get your referral. So that is basically how that works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.